The Thermon 6-star continuous flow range is manufactured in Japan using the latest technology and highest grade materials, and is designed for the Australian market. Gas continuous flow systems work by heating the water as it flows into your house. When you turn on your tap, the gas burners heat the water through a series of copper pipes called a heat exchanger. When you turn off your tap, the system shuts itself off, ready for the next time you need it. And because there is no tank, you will never run out of hot water. By heating hot water only when you need it, you will use a lot less gas than that of a standard storage unit, making the continuous flow units far more efficient. The Thermon 6-star continuous flow range are compact in size, taking up less room next to your house. The Thermon 6-star continuous flow range come in 16, 20 and 26 litre per minute models. And for those who like total control over their hot water, the 6-star range can be connected to a controller so you can set the precise temperature of your hot water. The Thermon 6-star continuous flow range have a 12-year heat exchanger warranty, including 3 years full parts and labour. These units are perfect for those looking for efficient and unlimited hot water. As always, these units must be installed by a licensed plumber.